Hello and welcome to Environmental Engineering and Earth Sciences at Clemson University. This video is going to discuss ways that you can get involved in research as an undergraduate. We're going to go through first, why would you want to do any research as an undergraduate, and then talk about the different ways and places you can get involved, including individual research laboratories in our departmental honors program, for university-specific programs, as well as something called a creative inquiry, which can be run by any faculty member. First question is, why would you want to get involved? Well, clearly there's a lot of benefits to being a researcher. You expand your learning well beyond the classroom and tackle ideas that you might be interested in a great level of detail. It's a real great resume builder if you're applying for graduate schools or for your first job. And of course, you're going to learn a lot of new laboratory skills and field skills as well as data analysis and interpretation. But most importantly, it's going to teach you to be a critical thinker in our field. First place you get involved is any individual research laboratory run by a faculty member, and this can be done for credit as part of a special topics class or for hourly pay. Many researchers, as part of a research grant, need undergraduates to assist the graduate students on smaller research questions that might be applicable during the time that research project is being carried out. And the photos that you're looking at here are actually 4 individual undergrads that have worked for my research laboratory over time, several of whom have gone on to graduate school or employment in a research field. Obviously, the university has an honors college, but within each department there is an honors program as well, and Environmental Engineering and Earth Sciences Honors is a 4-class program in which you will first sit through an honors seminar, kind of learning how to do research. Then you'll have 2 semesters worth of laboratory research done with an individual faculty member with whom you agree in advance to do the research. And then EES 4950, which is like a research thesis where you will present your research as part of a college-wide research symposium. The university has several research areas as well. The most popular is the University Professional Internship and Co-op Program, or also called UPIC. There's about 900 to 1,000 UPIC researchers, and what this is a university-wide program where there is paid research specifically to do work in a particular department. So if you're a UPIC researcher, you essentially work for somebody in environmental engineering and earth sciences. However, you're being paid by the university under its UPIC program. So this is good for both you and the faculty member involved in the research. And then finally, the university has something called creative inquiry. This is like a special topics class, except expanded, where usually multiple students are involved in a creative inquiry project over the course of a semester. And in doing so, they address questions of interest to not only the department and the individual students, but the university as a whole. So you think of creative inquiries, these are more often cross-cutting interdisciplinary areas where you might actually get a chance to work with other people outside of environmental engineering in the other engineering and science disciplines. So again, we're glad you're considering Clemson University in Environmental Engineering and Earth Sciences, and hope that we see you soon as part of our program and maybe in one of our research labs. Thank you.